See this problem. Ganesh and Chandan were partners sharing profits and losses in the proportion of 3:2. They dissolved the partnership firm on 31st March 2011 when their position was as follows. Their balance sheet is given here as on 31st March 2011. They have decided to dissolve their firm and terms of dissolution were given below. The assets realized as follows. Debtors 90,000, stock rupees 2 lakhs, goodwill rupees 25,000. Motor car was taken over by Ganesh for rupees 70,000 and furniture by Chandan for rupees 60,000. The creditors were paid rupees 22,500 in full settlement and the expenses of realization amounted to rupees 10,000. They asked us to pass necessary journal entries, but we will prepare ledger accounts also. So we have to prepare realization account, partners capital account and cash account in this problem. This is a very simple problem, first problem of dissolution. In this problem we will prepare accounts and then afterwards we will see the journal entries. Okay, so let us start. So I have prepared realization account, partners capital account and cash account. Just like admission and retirement, first we have to make the posting of the balance sheet, but this posting will be in realization account or partners capital account or cash account. There will not be any new balance sheet because they are dissolving the firm, means they are closing the firm. So we are closing the accounts of their firm. Okay, so let us post the liability side first. Capital accounts, just like admission or retirement, capital account balance will be transferred to capital account credit side. So by balance brought down 2,30,000 and 1,50,000. Then the reserve fund rupees 30,000. This reserve fund will be transferred to partners capital account credit side. So by reserve fund, it will be distributed between the partners in their profit sharing ratio, that is 3:2. Reserve fund is rupees 30,000, so distribution will be 18,000 and 12,000. Then remaining liabilities. Remaining liabilities are sundry creditors and bank overdraft. These are outsiders liabilities, that is third party liabilities. So we will transfer these liabilities in credit side of realization account. So by sundry creditors and by bank overdraft 25,000 sundry creditors and bank overdraft is 20,000. So we have completed posting of items from the liability side. Now we will transfer asset sides items. There are 4 assets: debtors, stock, furniture and motor car. We will transfer these assets in realization account debit side. So to debtors, we have to transfer original amount of debtors, that is 1,12,500, and we will transfer RDD in credit side. So by RDD, this is also called as provision for doubtful debts, 12,500. Okay, then remaining asset stock, furniture and motor car. Motor car 2,25,000, stock is 2,25,000, furniture is 50,000 and motor car is 75,000. Okay, so we have transferred all the items from the asset side. Cash in hand is given, so we have prepared cash account. If cash at bank will be there, we have to prepare bank account. So cash in hand balance we will transfer to balance brought down rupees 5,000. As we are closing the firm, liability side items will be transferred to credit side of every account. You can see here capital and reserve fund and other liabilities. Asset side items will be transferred to debit side of realization account or debit side of partners capital account or cash account. Means asset side items will be transferred to debit side of every account. Keep it in mind. It is easy to solve when we can keep this point in mind. Now we will start solving the adjustments. They told us that the assets realized as follows, and they have given us the amounts: debtors 90,000, stock 2 lakhs and goodwill rupees 25,000. So we will make the entry of assets realized here. The entry will be by cash account. Into bracket we will write assets realized, and we will make the list of the assets which are realized: debtors, stock and goodwill. Amounts are 90,000. I am writing this in inner column. Separate inner column is not necessary. You can draw inner column also, but it is not compulsory and necessary. So we will make total of these amounts, and the total will be 3,15,000. The meaning is that they have sold these assets and they have realized the amount, these amounts, that is total 3,15,000 cash after selling their assets. So we will make second posting of this entry. Credit side of realization account cash account, means debit side of cash account to realization account. Amount is total amount, you have to write 3,15,000. Okay. Now the next point, motor car was taken over by Ganesh for rupees 70,000. So we have to make the entry that Ganesh, the partner Ganesh, was taken over the motor car, is taking over the motor car. So this entry will be here by, the entry will be by Ganesh capital account. Motor car taken over, and the amount is given rupees 70,000. Now the second posting, credit side of realization account Ganesh capital account, so debit side of capital account to realization account. In Ganesh column 70,000 and in Chandan's column dash. Next, and furniture by Chandan for rupees 60,000. It means Chandan is taking over the furniture for rupees 60,000. So entry will be by Chandan's capital account. Furniture taken over, amount is 60,000. So the second posting will be here to realization account. 60,000 will be in Chandan's column, as Chandan is taking over the furniture, and dash in Ganesh column. Okay. Now the next entry, the creditors were paid rupees 22,500 in full settlement, and real expenses of realization amounted to rupees 10,000. So now the entry of payment, this entry will be here to cash account, will be the heading. Liabilities and expenses paid we can write, and we will make the list of payments. First, creditors 22,500, then realization expenses rupees 10,000. There is one more liability of bank overdraft. Even though nothing is mentioned in the adjustment, we have to pay this liability also. So to bank overdraft, original amount as specific amount is not mentioned in the problem. So we have to pay creditors, bank overdraft and realization expenses here. So we will make total, and the total is 52,500. 52,500. So we have completed all the adjustment. Now we have to tally the realization account. Let us make the total of credit side and debit side. Total of debit side is 5,15,000 and total of credit side is 5,02,500. So debit total is more, 5,15,000. 5,15,000. After deducting credit total of rupees 5,02,500, the difference will be 12,500. This will be distributed between the partners. So by partners capital account, Ganesh and Chandan, this realization loss will be distributed between the partners in their profit sharing ratio, which is 3:2. So distribution will be 7,500 and 5,000. Now we will make the second posting of this entry. Credit side of realization account capital account means second posting will be debit side of capital account to realization account. 7,500 and 5,000. Okay. Now we will tally partners capital account. First Ganesh column, credit total will be 2,48,000 and debit total will be 77,500. So 2,48,000. 2,48,000. We will deduct 77,500 from this amount. The balance will be 1,70,500. Now Chandan's account. Credit total is 1,62,000 and debit total is 65,000. So 1,62,000 we will write here. Deduct 65,000 from 1,62,000. The balance will be 97,000. And we will give the heading of next account, that is to cash account. This is the final settlement. Second posting of this entry. Debit side of capital account cash account means credit side of cash account by Ganesh capital account, rupees 1,70,500, and by Chandan's capital account, rupees 97,000. Now second posting of this entry by realization account, 52,500. And now we will tally the cash account. Debit total is 3,20,000 and credit total is 3,20,000. So cash account is tallied, the dissolution has been completed. The meaning of this solution is that we are closing the balance sheet of their firm and selling their assets. After selling their assets, we have received 3,50,000. They have opening balance of rupees 5,000, so they have 3,20,000. Then we have paid liabilities 52,500. You can make this entry before, rather you have to make this entry before, and then remaining amount is distributed between the partners as per their claim. Okay, So this problem has been completed. Okay, that's all. Now we have to pass the journal entries as per the requirement. I will show you how to keep in mind the order of journal entries. First, we have made transferring of balance sheet. So let us pass those entries. We have transferred capital here. This will not be any entry to be passed for balance. Then we have distributed reserve fund. So this entry will be first. We have to pass first entry of distribution of reserve fund. Then we have transferred sundry creditors and bank overdraft, that is the external liabilities. So this will be the second entry. Then we have made posting of asset side. All the assets were transferred here. So this will be third entry, and are transferring provision for doubtful debts, that is reserve for bad and doubtful debts here. So this will be the fourth entry. We have transferred cash balance here, but it will not be any entry for balance. So now we have to make entries for adjustment. First adjustment is of assets realized. So this entry will be fifth. Then they have taken over certain assets. So Ganesh taken over motor car. This will be the sixth entry. Chandan taken over furniture. This will be seventh entry. Then we have paid liabilities. This will be eighth entry. Then we have distributed realization loss between the partners. So this will be ninth entry. And then we have made the final settlement by giving the remaining cash to partners. So this will be the 10th entry. So we have to pass 10 entries in this problem. So let us start. Now let us pass the journal entries. This will be the first entry. The entry will be reserve fund account debit to partners capital account, means reserve fund account debit to Ganesh capital account and to Chandan's capital account. Okay, so I will pass the entry. Dates are not given, so I am giving numbers here. First entry will be reserve fund account debit to Ganesh capital account and to Chandan's capital account. Total reserve fund is rupees 30,000. This account is debited and it means cancelled, and it is distributed between the partners in their profit sharing ratio. So narration will be reserve fund transferred and distributed in 3:2. This much narration is sufficient. Now see the second entry. We have transferred third party liabilities, that is outsiders liabilities here. So the entry will be sundry creditors account debit 25,000, bank overdraft account debit 20,000 to realization account. So the entry is sundry creditors account debit 25,000, bank overdraft account debit 20,000 to realization account. Total of this amount, that is 45,000, and the narration being liabilities that is, we can write third party liabilities or outsiders liabilities transferred to realization account at their book value, means balance sheet value. Now the third entry, we have transferred all the assets to realization account debit side. So entry will be realization account debit to debtors account to stock account to furniture account to motor car account. So third entry, realization account debit to debtors 1,12,500 to stock 2,25,000 to furniture 50,000 to motor car 75,000, and total of this amount will be debited to realization account. So total of this amount is 4,62,500 being assets transferred to realization account at their book value. Okay, so third entry has been passed. Now the entry of transferring of provision for doubtful debts or reserve for bad and doubtful debts, that is RDD. Entry will be RDD account debit to realization account. So RDD account debit to realization account transferred to realization account, RDD transferred to realization account, and the amount is 12,500. Okay, so now see the next entry. After that, the entry of assets realized. So the entry will be cash account debit to realization account. This is only the internal part. Main heading is cash account. So entry will be cash account debit to realization account. Narration will be being assets realized. And we will write total amount of assets, that is 3,15,000. Okay, now the next entry, sixth entry. Motor car was taken over by Ganesh. This will be the sixth entry. So entry will be Ganesh capital account debit to realization account. Amount is rupees 70,000. 70,000. Narration is being motor car taken over. Now the seventh entry will be furniture taken over by Chandan. Chandan's capital account debit to realization account. 60,000 to realization account. 60,000 being furniture taken over. Now the eighth entry. After taking over the furniture, we have paid all the liabilities. See here, all the liabilities were paid. So entry will be realization account debit to cash account, being liabilities and expenses paid. So realization account debit to cash account. Being liabilities and expenses paid. We have to write total amount, that is 52,500. After making the payment of liabilities and expenses, we have tallied the realization account. So this entry, that is the realization loss distributed between the partners, will be the ninth entry. The entry is partners capital account debit to realization account, but we will say it separately, that is Ganesh capital account debit 7,500. Chandan's capital account debit 5,000 to realization account 12,500. So ninth entry will be Ganesh capital account debit 7,500. Chandan's capital account debit 5,000 to realization account rupees 12,500. So narration will be being realization loss distributed you can say between the partners also. And then the last entry, this is our last entry. After tallying capital account, we have given remaining cash to the partners. So partners capital account debit to cash account, it means Ganesh capital account debit, Chandan's capital account debit to cash account. Ganesh capital account debit 1,70,500. Chandan's capital account debit 97,000 to cash account. Total amount is 2,67,500. So the narration will be being cash paid to partners for final settlement. This will be the last entry. Okay, that's all.